Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to update the Cleo app to the latest version. Keeping your Cleo app updated means that you will always get the latest features, security patches, and bug fixes. Let me show you how it's done. Step 1, open your device's app store. If you're on iPhone, you want to open the app store, and if you're on Android, head over to the Google Play Store. Next, you're going to search for Cleo, so use the search bar to find the Cleo app quickly. Next, you're going to check if an update is available, and if it is, you're going to see an update button instead of an open. Next, just go ahead and tap update and wait for the download and installation to complete. It usually takes a few minutes, so depending on, of course, on your connection speed. Once that's done, open the Cleo and enjoy the new feature, and you're now running the latest version with the improved performance. Updating keeps Cleo working smoothly, and you'll always be first to experience new upgrades. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.